Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open a new window in Google Chrome. So all you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on these three dots over here, and then you can choose new window like so. And as you can see, now I have two Google Chrome windows opened. You can also press Ctrl and N on your keyboard in order to also quickly open the window. You can also open incognito window, so this is a private window, and by doing so you will not save the history. Every data that would normally be autofilled should not be saved. So you can choose new incognito window like so. This is how it looks. You can also choose to block third-party cookies, and if you want to use a shortcut in order to open the private window, then you can click Ctrl, Shift and N on your keyboard. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!